Words about riders.ai. They've been such a huge help in helping us organise the competition. They're doing amazing stuff, having this all completely available for everyone to compete in their competitions on their own platform. So, do you want to give us a few quick words about what you do?
I hope that we did our best. If you had any troubles,
I don't know what problems you're talking about, because the system is flawless and amazing, and it led to some very exciting races in the end. Time trials, of course, and Grand Prix.
yeah,
Really good.
well, nobody got into fire in this one, so I think this is a plus. I would say that.
Well, in Formula One, I bet they wouldn't let you drive backwards in Formula One.
Yeah. They probably stopped the
Right.
races.
Yeah.